Hi, my name is Rusty Pearson. Welcome to the channel. What is this channel all about? Well, it's about amateur blacksmithing, and it's about me making a whole lot of mistakes. Look at that. But it's also about a whole lot of learning. A whole lot of yellow on there. Now these are zinc bolts. Hopefully that's not toxic.
These little babies are quite hazardous.
This is what's going to be make our even heat source. Now, take those two things, we'll smash them together, we'll see what we get. That leaves pretty much looking the way I want it. Yeah, there's another one, look at that. Pretty happy with that. And it's about making some really cool stuff. Here is our completed set of tongs. Whether you're a novice blacksmith yourself, or you just want to watch me make a whole bunch of mistakes on my way to becoming a backyard blacksmith, then this might be the channel for you. If you're experienced and you know what you're doing when it comes to blacksmithing, then I need your help. Watch these videos and give me advice along the way. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.